friends.
Hi friends.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good.
I am excellent. I greet you all in this wonderful and happiest moment. I am so happy and joy to be here and stand in front of you. Now, I would like to share few beautiful words about myself. I am Kiran. I completed 10th class in Narayana CBSE. I am from Pothireddipalam. My hobbies are reading books, watching TV, drawing. My likes are I like nature's beauty. I like my family. I like beautiful buildings. My aim to become software engineer. My strength is listening and patience. My role model person is Ramarao Garu. He is a contractor. My inspiring person is Ratna Kumar Garu. He is a skills trainer. Coming to my family, we are 4 members in our family. My father, my mother, my brother, and I. My father's name is Ramarao Garu. He is a contractor. My mother's name is Dhanlakshmi Garu. She is a housewife, and uh, uh, my brother's name is Vijay Krishna. He is studying BTech second year, and I already all of you know very well about me. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for giving this opportunity.